So good morning guys, today we are going to see the use case of useRef hook. In this website they have mentioned useRef allows to directly create a reference for a DOM element in a functional component. But you may be wondering, why do we actually need to create a reference for a DOM element in a functional component? I'm just going to bring you a real-time example of why this useRef hook is actually needed. So in this particular example, I am having a simple web page where there is an input field which is having an option to pick a file, and when I choose an image there, and this image is going to be updated in the avatar, and this is a very simple example, but the user interface doesn't look very appealing, so we have to I'm planning to have a button to pick a image, and then hide the input field completely, and then I'm planning to upload the image via the button click. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to just create a button. I'm just going to create a button, upload image. I'm just going to say upload profile picture, and you can see the profile picture upload button is there, and I'm just going to hide the particular input field. So I'm just going to say display is none. So the image is completely the input field is hidden, so now there isn't any particular functions which is going to be happening on the on click. So I'm just going to have an on click listener const upload picture, and I'm just going to have an arrow function here. So when this method is clicked, we are willing to perform a click in this one. For example, let me just unhide this. For a moment, and a click here will emulate this dialog box to pick the image. So we are willing to click this particular input field in this button click. But how exactly can we do it? Like we were aware of use state, we couldn't use state and other things. We need to have a reference to this input field so that we can emulate the click. So that is exactly where the useRef hook comes. It is always available in the React one, like in the same place where use state is available. So I'm just going to create a reference for this image. Let me just it is like an ID. So it is like an ID for the image, so that we can just get the ID like document.getElement ID. I'm just going to create a reference. It is as simple as this. This reference, we have created one particular ID, like something like ID which is called reference in React, more or less like an ID, and I'm just going to pass the reference here. Now we can simply pass ref. The ref is, there is one property here, and then we can just pass the profile picture reference here, and now we can completely hide the image. Now the image is hidden, the avatar is gone, but we haven't yet implemented this on click one. So in the on click of this particular one, upload picture, I'm just going to mention the function here, and here we can always use this profile picture reference, and it always has this current property, and the current property will act like a regular JavaScript thing. It has like ID, value, inner HTML, inner value, and now we have the option for click. The autofill is not available. It is similar to the input tags click. It has all the particular reference. For example, if we go there in this particular one, you can see this focus is there. These focus are all input methods, focus, click, and other things. These are all basic JavaScript things. And I'm just going to upload this profile picture. When the click is performed, when the button is pressed, in the hidden input field is automatically clicked, and now I can upload the image. That is a very simple example for the useRef hook. I hope you guys understood the useRef hook. If you like this video, please drop a like button, subscribe to my channel and mention in the comments what you liked in this video. Thank you very much guys.